Mushrooms, snow peas and green beans with creamy polenta. Prepare the ingredients. In a large saucepan, add 4 cups of soy milk and 4 cups of water. Cover with a lid and bring to the boil. Meanwhile, slice 2 garlic cloves. Slice 8 cups of mixed mushrooms. Top and tail 2 handfuls of green beans. Top and tail 2 handfuls of snow peas. When the milk and water is boiling, stir in 2 cups of polenta. Stir constantly for about 10 to 15 minutes until the polenta is cooked and thick. Heat a frying pan over a high heat. Add the mushrooms. Sprinkle salt and pepper. Cook until brown on both sides. Remove from the pan. Add half a cup of water to the hot pan. Add the sliced garlic. Add the beans. Add the snow peas. Salt and pepper to taste. Add 2 sprigs of fresh thyme and saute until the beans are bright green. To serve, place some polenta on a plate. Top with the beans and snow peas. Then the mushrooms. Pour over the juice from the pan and serve.